What we first shaped was not steel, but the wall of impossibility. In this barren land for the cutting tool industry, precision and the tiny difference it made became another possibility that moves the world. We lacked both technology and capital, yet we held on to a steadfast belief. We lacked experience and know-how, yet we found the courage to challenge the unknown. And so, the very history of cutting in Korea was shaped right at our fingertips. Wherever there is a road, the freedom to go anywhere. Wherever there is a sky, the dream to fly anywhere. Wherever there are stars, the hope to reach anywhere. And what made all of this possible was none other than precision. For over 60 years, what we have built is a new standard of precision presented by Korea to the world. Even at this very moment, KORLOY's technology breathes in over 80 countries worldwide. In automotive plants in Germany, in robotics labs in Japan, and in aerospace industries in the US. Our inserts inspire humanity to leap forward. What we create is not just a tool. It is the possibility that makes the world more precise and more original. Now we dream a bigger dream. Moving beyond the present into the future, we embark on a new 60-year journey to turn imagination into reality. A sustainable future where technology and humanity become one. The tomorrow of precision machining evolving with AI technology. At the heart of all that innovation stands KORLOY. A dream that began 60 years ago from a single handful of metal powder continues to create yet another possibility, moving beyond today and toward tomorrow. KORLOY.